Hello guys, I'm back doing another video. The past 2 months has been really rewarding for me in terms of orchids. I have several new orchids or several orchids blooming for the first time for me, and this is one of these orchids. Today is January 8th, 2023, so first week of the new year, and I've been watching this orchid because it finally bloomed, and I think it has fully opened. So this orchid is called, pardon the background, my son is with my wife, but yeah, so this orchid I bought from Andy's Orchids on September 1st not last year, September 1st, 2021, and it's called the Dendrobium tannii. It says here it's mounted, so water mounted about 3 to 4 times a week, or 3 to 5 times a week, and then let it dry. Its temperature is warm to intermediate, and then light should be bright. It's also a semi-deciduous according to here. So I wrote it down, but in the website when I purchased this plant, it noted it's a semi-deciduous, which to be honest, I'm not really sure. I mean, in terms of watering, what a semi-deciduous means, because I've got a deciduous orchid here, this Dendrobium secundum, and from my research, if a plant is deciduous, they don't get water during winter. Some hobbyists literally wait for the plant or the sphagnum moss to really turn into crisp, like very crispy. But semi-deciduous, I have no idea. I researched it, can't find the actual term saying semi-deciduous. So what I'm doing is just water this once a week. So for the year that I had it, never flowered for me, and I was thinking I'm doing something wrong. Same with this Dendrobium genskii, but apparently Dendrobiums just really need a dry winter rest. So for this, I started really early, last week of October, because in 2021 I started the dry winter rest like around November, like second week of November. These guys, I started them last week of October, and I think I finally got what it needs, and noticed that a spike is forming. So not really it's not the usual spike that you'll see in orchids. It's like a small nub, and at first I was thinking it could be a new growth, but when it appeared about 3-4 weeks ago, I show you a picture. It looks different, the color is different, so I realized it could be a spike. And in the websites or online, the description is these flowers at the base of old growth. And so just to let you know, again, the temperature here is around 73 in this area here, 73 Fahrenheit. Humidity is around 62%. But then again, I have a misting setup to run 6 seconds every hour during the day, and during the night, no misting at all. Again, I just had this grow tent more than about 2-3 months now. So I'm literally, I'm just setting up my my whole lighting schedule, misting. But I'm glad that this orchid finally responded to what I did. It's considered as a miniature Dendrobium. I think I'm giving it a lot of bright light, because as you can see, there's this purplish coloration on the leaves. But I'm not really concerned about that. And then when I purchased this, I'll show you how it I'll show you guys a picture of this plant when I purchased it. I basically just added more sphagnum moss, and then this is a new growth that started during the growing season, during like spring to summer. And yeah, just watering it once a week during the winter dry rest, being again semi-deciduous, so I don't want to give it like a thorough dry period, due to the fact that Andy's Orchids put that note on the website. Talking about the flower again, from what I've read and from the pictures, it grows, it blooms at the base of the old growth. Basically, when I received this, I don't think this even has leaves at all. But in the pictures, in the website, Andy's Orchids website, I realized the flower has yellow petals, and then the labellum, or the center area, or this area here. Ooh, did I break it? No. The labellum, or this area here, in the website is like yellow or orange. And then when I was researching, apparently there are different variations depending on locality of where this plant is found. So on the website, it's the white petals with an orange to yellow labellum, but this is what appeared in mine, so I guess I got this variation. Majority of what I've searched online, it's this purplish color and that dark purple labellum. I would say I'm a bit disappointed, I guess, or not really disappointed, surprised that this is the flower I got, because of course when I purchased the plant, I was expecting when it flowers, it's the one on the website. But not a big deal. It's a compact, small compact plant. I like it, and I guess the fact that it didn't fail me eventually, that it is very tolerant to the different conditions that I gave it. For me as a beginner with different species of plant or orchids, this is a win for me. If you search this plant online, you'll see, again, mature plants with with several spikes or several blooms. Like literally, from what I've seen, is like they flower like again at the base, and you'll see a lot of these flowers. But I only have 2 right now, but that's fine, because it's an exciting thing that I eventually got it to bloom. So let's do a more close up here. Okay, there you go. That's really nice. So as you can see, it's purple petals or sepals, and then the labellum is dark purple, and then same thing here, but underneath. So I don't know if this is upside down, or because it's not for the second flower, the labellum is not exposed to sunlight or something, it's got some white coloration, because this one is just purely purple. But I guess that's how it looks like when it's not a fully bloomed plant, or this part here. So yeah, really nice. I'm very happy about this. Really cool to finally get this to bloom, and just sharing with you guys again. The past few months, got several blooms, makes all the effort very rewarding. The one I'm looking forward to is this one on my Brassavola grandiflora. So let me just do a close-up. Alright, so that's another bud or spike on the way, I guess, because I've seen growth, the leaf growth, and it doesn't start this way, so I'm hoping it's a new bud. And then of course I have my other Dendrobium, so this one should, if I do things right, I believe so far I did, because I never have watered it since fall. but you can see still it's dry but still alive. Of course, the misting, the humidity helps, but yeah, looking forward for it to flower in spring, because that's when it flowers. Same thing with this Genskii. This one, in what I've read, is not a deciduous orchid at all, but from the care guides, it needs to have a dry winter rest, but needs to be watered to prevent it from wrinkling too much and dying. So same with this tannii, I water both at least once a week. So I guess that's it. Another close-up here. Just sharing this beautiful plant or bloom here. Hopefully it becomes more consistent. It flowers every winter for me, or if it's as a bonus like during spring, that's definitely welcomed. So yeah, that's it, guys. Again, thank you for the subscriptions and the likes, and yeah, have a good one.